The following is a 9-stage productivity framework from the most valuable principles Alex Hormozi regularly discusses, all distilled into an easy-to-follow system. 1. Begin before you're ready. Alex emphasizes that the greatest hack is to begin rather than to wait to feel ready. Starting is what boosts output per unit of time. Conditions will never be perfect, so just start now. 2. Drop overly complex routines. Early in his career, Alex spent hours on elaborate rituals hoping to unlock perfect focus. Instead, nothing got done. Cutting the mental prep led to sharper productivity and better output. And a quick note, if you need help staying accountable to your goals on a daily basis, check the link in the description. We got you. 3. Adopt a no shortcuts mindset. There's no magic bullet. It takes, in his words, loads of work to succeed. Progress requires sustained effort, not tricks. So when you're tempted to cut corners, remind yourself, I'll do what's required. 4. Separate maker time from manager time. Alex divides work into 2 different buckets: maker tasks, which is deep work requiring focus like writing, editing, or coding, and manager tasks, which is calls, meetings, check-ins. Mixing both together derails productivity. One small interruption can break the flow needed for deep work. 5. Protect large interrupted blocks for deep work. Fewer interruptions equals more output. A single meeting can ruin your focus for hours. 6. Stack and batch your manager tasks. Manager mode can handle a lot of small interactions, but scattering them together destroys maker momentum. Grouping them in tight blocks separately keeps both systems running smoothly. 7. Delegate and eliminate. You can predict a business's future by its founder's calendar. If it's full of low-leverage tasks, they're stuck. Progress means giving up control over routine tasks to focus on what matters most. 8. Think and plan in long time horizons. Alex notes that ultra-successful people think in decades. Big wins come from sustained effort in a clear direction, not from daily bursts of random activity. 9. Review, refine, and recommit. Alex constantly audits his time. He doesn't set and forget systems, he tweaks them. The goal is to continually improve how you use your most limited resource, which is time. So, here's a quick recap. And if you need help staying accountable to your goals on a daily basis, click the link in the description. And subscribe for more productivity tips.